Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Armorlite Complete Replacement Flooring System for your Wrangler or Gladiator. The Armorlite Flooring System is the toughest, most durable floor available for your Jeep, built to withstand just about anything you can throw at it and still clean up easily. The Armorlite floor kits are available for both the earlier 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs like I have in the shop today, as well as the newer 18 and up Jeep Wrangler JL and the 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT. We're going to be focusing specifically on some of the features here on the earlier Jeep Wrangler JK today. As I mentioned, this is a complete replacement flooring system. It is designed so that you will be removing your factory carpet as well as any existing floor mats or floor liners and installing the Armorlite flooring in its place. Now, the Armorlite flooring system is designed for maximum durability, optimal traction, and a unique rugged styling that's going to give you the look and feel of a bedliner type material that you would find in the back of a truck once it's installed in your Jeep. Now, I've got one piece of the flooring system here on the counter so that we can check it out more closely here and actually see that the flooring is made up of 3 different layers of construction. Now, the top layer, the outside layer that you'll see inside of your Jeep, is a very durable layer that's built to withstand any scuffs, scratches, or cuts. It's also designed to give you a great high level of traction when you're in your Jeep because, again, you're not going to be using any floor mats or floor liners on top of the Armorlite flooring system. Now, it's also designed to clean up really easily, which is a great feature we'll come back to in just a moment. Now, the second layer of material here is the structural layer of the flooring system. And as you can see, the Armorlite material holds its shape, matching the contours of the floor of your Jeep perfectly, which is going to allow it to drop right into your Jeep very easily. Now, the third layer all the way down here is the insulation layer of the material, and that's not only going to help reduce the level of noise inside of your Jeep, giving you some great acoustic insulation, but it's also going to reduce the interior temperatures found in your Jeep. Now, Armorlite has done some testing to show that after about 30 minutes of normal on-the-road driving, the interior cabin of your Jeep is going to be about 12 degrees cooler with the Armorlite flooring system than it would be with that factory carpet. So the insulation here that you're adding with the Armorlite system is much better than what you would find on the backside of your factory carpet. Now, they've done some even farther in-depth testing to show that after about 3 hours of crawling down a trail, you're going to see a heat level reduction of about 140 degrees at the floor of the Jeep, dropping it from 240 degrees down to 100 degrees. That's a huge reduction in temperature with the Armorlite flooring system in place. Now, as I mentioned, cleaning up your Armorlite flooring system is designed to be a very easy task as well, which is good because, well, it's designed to be a permanent install in your Jeep. Once you install the Armorlite flooring system, you're not going to be removing it like you would a floor mat or floor liner to clean. And that's because they've designed it around the built-in drain plugs found in your Jeep. So once you install the flooring system, you'll take the included drain plugs that will snap right through the Armorlite flooring and the sheet metal of your vehicle. When it comes time to clean it up, you'll simply open that drain plug up, hose out the footwell area of your Armorlite flooring system, allowing all the dirt, debris, and mud to wash right out below your Jeep. When you're done, you can simply close that cap and give them a wipe down. They do come with their signature orange drain plugs. However, they also have plugs available in a variety of different colors for you, so you can either match or accent your Jeep. Really, it's up to your liking. In fact, the complete Armorlite flooring system itself is available in 2 color choices. You have the Mesa Smoke color, like I have here on the table, or a Desert Khaki, which is also available for you. Now, as I briefly mentioned, you're going to get an exact factory fit from the Armorlite flooring system, which means your install is going to be a very easy job that you can do by yourself with virtually no tools. In fact, it doesn't even require you to remove most of the interior, like your seats or center console, from your Jeep to complete your install. You'll start by removing the factory carpet along with any floor liners or floor mats that you have in place. And then after giving your Jeep a good vacuum and wipe down, because I'm sure there's going to be some dirt and debris underneath that factory carpet, you can begin installing your Armorlite flooring system. You'll simply drop it into place, tucking it under things like your gas and brake pedal and around the mounting legs for your seats. Now, while Armorlite does say that you can install this with no tools, I did find that it was helpful to have a panel tool handy for tucking the material underneath hard to reach spots between the seat and center console or around the door trim. Once you have the front section installed, you can move on to the rear seat area, again dropping it into place and tucking it underneath the rear seat and front seats of your Jeep, as well as all of the interior trim. Once the liners are down, it's time to go ahead and install your plugs. Now, this is a very important spot. You want to make sure that these drain plugs are installed so that they're seated all the way through both the Armorlite flooring material and the sheet metal of your Wrangler or Gladiator. When they're properly installed, you'll hear an audible click when they're seated, and a good check is to go ahead and just open that cap up, put your finger down through the drain plug, and ensure that the bottom edge of that drain plug is down, protruding past the bottom edge of the sheet metal in your vehicle. They also have rear cargo area liners available as well to complete the interior protection of your Armorlite flooring system. Now, that rear liner will simply drop right into place in the back of your Jeep. They've even made accommodations for things like the in-floor subwoofer found in some model year JK Wranglers, with a pre-scored area that you'll simply cut with a utility knife to open it up for that subwoofer. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase an Armorlite complete replacement flooring system for your Wrangler or Gladiator, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the flooring or how to get it installed, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below, or contact us at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.